It's Alex from WTI. I originally needed a set of Brayers to use with my gel plate, so that's why I got these babies. The paint is transferred so well with these Brayers, creating a really nice even coat of paint. They're made from a superior quality rubber, so there aren't any cuts or nicks out of them that could potentially cause imperfection when you're braying with the paint. There's a lot of uses for these Brayers, but like I said, I've enjoyed using them making prints with my gel plate. I like that there's two different sizes, 2.2 inch and a 4-inch size Brayer. That way I can use them based on the project size I'm working with. They're strong and they're sturdy, and they allow you to place a firm force on them if needed. They can be helpful with so many different craft projects, whether you're laying down media on a cutting mat or placing vinyl down to keep from getting bubbles out of the final project. What a hard-working tool to have in your crafting artillery. I'm glad I got the set of two because I use one for paint, so it gets kind of dirty, and I keep the other one for my clean projects. These Brayers from AKIRO are a great choice. Definitely for all you crafters out there, I'd highly recommend them. And that's my point of view.